What if the next Tesla costs almost the same as a regular petrol car, doesn't need fuel, barely needs maintenance, and slowly pushes petrol cars out of the market? No hype, no noise, just one affordable electric car that could quietly change how the world drives. You're watching InfoByte Network, and stay till the end because the final reason explains why this car could completely disrupt the auto industry, a change no one can ignore. Every major industry change starts with one simple idea: make it cheaper, make it easier, make it accessible. That's exactly what smartphones did. That's what the internet did. And now the same thing is about to happen in the automobile world. Welcome back to InfoByte Network, where we explain future technology before it becomes everyday life. Today's topic is not about speed records, not about luxury interiors, and not about showing off. Today, we're talking about affordability and a car rumored to be Tesla's most important vehicle yet, the Tesla Model 2. This car isn't designed for a small group of buyers. It's designed for millions, and that's why it matters. What is Tesla Model 2? The Tesla Model 2 is expected to be Tesla's smallest and most affordable electric car. Smaller than the Model 3, more compact than the Model Y, perfect for city driving and daily use. Tesla has already proven that electric cars can be fast, premium, and powerful. Now Tesla is targeting something bigger, replacing petrol cars. The Model 2 is rumored to be built not for luxury buyers, but for students, families, office workers, and first-time car owners. This is Tesla stepping into the mass market. Price, the biggest talking point. Let's talk about the number that has shocked the entire industry: price. According to leaks, interviews, and insider reports, Tesla Model 2 could launch around $25,000 or possibly even lower. That's the same price range as many basic petrol cars today. But here's the key difference: no fuel cost, no oil changes, no engine breakdowns, no gearbox issues. Over time, this electric car could save owners thousands of dollars, and that's why traditional automakers are extremely concerned. Battery and range, built for daily life. A common myth about electric cars is that they must have massive range. Tesla understands reality. Most people drive short daily distances, commute to work, use cars mainly in cities, rarely take long road trips. That's why Tesla Model 2 is expected to offer around 250 to 300 miles of range. That's more than enough for everyday use. Charge overnight, drive all day. Simple, reliable, stress-free. Tesla isn't chasing unrealistic numbers. It's focusing on real-world efficiency. Design, function over flash. Don't expect luxury leather seats or expensive interior materials, and that's intentional. The Tesla Model 2 is rumored to feature a clean, minimal, functional design. Compact exterior, lightweight structure, simple interior layout. Why does this matter? Because fewer parts mean fewer problems. Lighter cars are more efficient. Simple designs reduce cost. This car is built to last, not to impress on social media. And for most buyers, that's exactly what they want. Technology, still a Tesla experience. Even though it's affordable, the Model 2 is still a Tesla. That means large central touchscreen, software-based controls, over-the-air updates, advanced safety features. Tesla cars don't feel old over time, they improve. Bug fixes, feature upgrades, performance optimizations. Some level of driver assistance technology is also expected, making daily driving easier and safer. This keeps the Tesla experience intact even at a lower price. Why Tesla Model 2 is so important. Here's where things get serious. Electric cars already exist, but affordability remains the biggest barrier. The Tesla Model 2 removes that barrier. When electric cars become affordable, reliable, low maintenance, petrol cars lose their biggest advantage. Fuel costs disappear, maintenance drops, ownership becomes simpler. This shift doesn't just affect drivers, it affects entire industries. Oil, fuel stations, service centers. This is not just a car launch, it's a market transformation. How Tesla can sell it this cheap? Many people ask, how can Tesla afford to do this? The answer lies in Tesla's strategy. 1. Simplified manufacturing. Tesla designs cars with fewer components. 2. Cost-efficient materials. No unnecessary luxury features. 3. High-volume production. More cars mean lower cost per unit. Tesla doesn't rely on dealer networks or service profits. Instead, it focuses on lower margins, higher volume, long-term dominance. This approach has already worked in Tesla's earlier models. Why other car companies are worried? Traditional car makers depend on fuel engines, frequent servicing, spare parts sales, and dealer maintenance. Electric cars reduce all of that. Tesla Model 2 pushes this problem further. If millions of people switch to an affordable electric car that barely needs maintenance, entire business models start collapsing. That's why many automakers are closely watching Tesla's next move. Why Tesla Model 2 is not here yet? If the Model 2 is so important, why hasn't Tesla launched it yet? Experts believe there are 3 main reasons. 1. Battery supply limitations. 2. Scaling production globally. 3. Strategic market timing. Tesla doesn't want the Model 2 to affect sales of its existing cars, so the company is waiting, refining, and preparing, because once this car launches, there's no turning back. The Tesla Model 2 is not about luxury, it's not about speed, it's about access. If Tesla succeeds, electric cars won't feel special anymore, they'll feel normal. And when electric cars become normal, petrol cars slowly disappear. That's not hype, that's history repeating itself. You're watching InfoByte Network, where future mobility is explained today. If you would consider buying the Tesla Model 2, comment Model 2 below. Hit like if you believe electric cars are the future, and subscribe because when Tesla changes the game, we explain it first.